Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Ally Bank, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your browser and navigate to Ally Bank's official website. Log into your Ally Bank account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the budgeting option from the main menu. Click on the budgeting section to access the budgeting tools. Familiarize yourself with the overview provided, which outlines the key features. Select the Create a New Budget option to get started. Determine your income sources and input the amounts you receive. Next, identify your regular monthly expenses and categorize them. Add each expense category by clicking on the Add Expense button. For variable expenses, estimate an average monthly amount. Once all expenses are listed, review your total income versus total expenses. Adjust your budget items as necessary to ensure you stay within your means. Set financial goals, such as saving or paying off debt, within the budgeting tool. Monitor your budget regularly for necessary adjustments. Utilize Ally's charts and graphs to visualize your spending patterns. Receive alerts and notifications for any budgetary deviations. Review your progress at the end of each month to evaluate your financial health. Make revisions to your budget based on your spending and savings goals. Ensure to keep your budget updated with any changes in income or expenses. Leverage Ally's resources and tips for enhancing your budgeting skills. With consistent use, you'll find budgeting becomes easier and more effective. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.